What's good? 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 What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good? We're working on video number 2 today, guys, and I wanted to talk about my baby, man. Why I love this company so much, man. Why? Because they pay me every week. Why? Because it's residual income. I like getting residual income. I like getting things passive, and just kind of a quick reason why I like this here. Just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about this before I kind of get in about the new leads. And you probably see the video that I posted regarding the owner yesterday. But I wanted to talk about a system to where everything is laid out for you guys. The number one thing or problem that people have when they come into a business online is that they don't know how to get others. They don't know how to tell others about the particular business. And Dave and I, well, not I, but I've actually joined the company here where they pretty much have everything. When I first came into this business, I was used to building other marketers' brand, getting their marketing systems, building theirs. And there's nothing wrong with using another marketer system, but you want to brand yourself before you actually get to that video sales letter. You want to let people know, like, hey, this is who I am. This is how I'm utilizing the system. This is what, my goals are, or this is what I've achieved. And boom, let the video sales letter do the rest. And that's what I've done here with the Conversion Pros here. I've actually, taken advantage of a lot of the marketing training that they have in here, Twitter, the YouTube training. I'm big on YouTube and crazy. So this is a lot of the free training that we offer. And when I tell people about the business, I don't have to go out and do all the training. So I'm like letting people know, like, hey, this is what I'm doing. Boom, I'm the connect. You see what I'm saying? So I'm getting them over, and then once they get over, we got all these over-the-shoulder training videos of how to go out and get sales and how to really do all these different things. So why go out and reinvent the wheel? When I can just get them in an area where they got access to everything, and the owner's taking them by the hand now in the Facebook group, pretty much showing them how to do things, having different trainings, just pretty much helping them grow. So I'm just being that person that's connecting the dots to them and for them. And then being a person that they can follow up on, and I can help them out as well if they run into roadblocks, if they have questions, concerns, or even if I have funnels and programs that they've joined me in that I can give to them. So like if you're involved in MCA, I'll actually give you guys my sales funnel that I am utilizing with MCA. So definitely you can utilize that if you join TCP with me. Another thing, if you are a paid member with TCP, I will give you my paid marketing strategies as well, that you're going to definitely need. That pretty much from Facebook ads to um, Instagram ads to Twitter ads. So guys, I definitely take care of you on that end as well. So I definitely give you that bonus training. But if you're in any of these programs, we got company specific training. The boot camps that we had in 2017 was awesome, man. Definitely want to check those out. Okay, but let's just say you don't know how to use the system. We already have everything laid out, the basics, the fast start, the master classes, posting how to post your link in Facebook, forwarding domain name. These are things that people constantly email me about, like, how do you forward a domain name? We have it all. Send a text message broadcast, how to order leads, compensation plan questions. You name it, we got it. So we pretty much have it all here, and these are all training. These are all videos, guys. So I don't see why this wouldn't be able to help you. Now, the main thing is that these tools that we're offering, this is what really helps you become a pro in marketing, because we have webinar builders, landing page builders. So if you want to make your own landing page, which I'm going to show you with the one that we have with TCP, and that we already have with TCP, and what the one that I've made with MCA. Okay. So, mobile site builder, autoresponder. So, if no one joins your business and they opt in your capture page, your autoresponder is going to pretty much send out messages, follow up with them. This allows me to send video emails out if I just want to send out something that just happened to me for the day, or if I just want to talk to my people for the day, I will utilize the email broadcaster. You can send you. This is pretty much self-explanatory, guys. You got a lot of people on your list that you've built that opted in to check out your business. They haven't joined. Send them a message through text message, through the text broadcaster. You have a business, you need an invoice tool. Pretty much you can create an invoice for people. Blogging platform, link rotator. So, if you have a team of people and you want everybody to get traffic, they can utilize the link rotator. Okay? So, generic marketing videos, local marketing videos. And just to show you guys this thing is real here, let me pause this just a second. So I wanted to kind of pull up some stuff here. So as you can see here, this was our last payout history right here, and that was sent to my PayPal. So this was just yesterday. I show you guys these all the time here. This was just yesterday. 261 that was paid out to me in this particular business, guys. And that's all from referring others to this business here. So you can see they pay me every week here, man. There's different payment amounts in here, and I can go all the way back here. I show this all the time. Just every week I've been getting paid with this company, man. And this is back in 2016. You can see these 2016, and this kind of humbles me down a little bit, man, just because I go all the way back. That's why I tell people I've been in this business since for a while, man. You know, May 5th, 2016. And now it is what? 2018 in January. So I get paid every week. This is literally every week, guys, that I get paid with this company. You know, and you know, it just depends on what I utilize the funds for. And this is just one of my programs. You know, this is just one marketing system. I have other marketing systems that I make money in, but this is the one that this is the most user friendly. This is the one that helps everybody out. Okay. Now the number one thing here is where I tell people is that if you want to make a landing page or you're in a particular business and you want to utilize, you know, you don't know exactly how to make pages here. So right now, let's see, I'm in the cryptocurrency space. So these are some of my cryptocurrency pages that are pre-done, and you can actually go in and change them, switch them out. But boom, you know, as I mentioned, when they enter their information in their email here, if they don't join, guess what? That autoresponder kicks in and starts sending messages if they don't join on that part. Okay, so pretty much if they don't join, you got your autoresponder. If you don't know how to make messages, we pretty much already got that done as well. So we got autoresponder messages. These are automatically done. You just go in and switch them out, man. So you can see TCP, travel, weight loss, generic biz op. Just go in and switch those out. And you can pretty much put your own business information in there or just go in and edit them. So we make it very easy for you. You know, don't make it hard. So I'm going to go back over here to the landing page creator. So weight loss, nutrition, fitness, coffee, makeup, eyelashes, skincare, travel, MCA. Let me just keep going. Work at home mom, shopping, credit card, car programs. As a kid's busted in on me here, so I had to take care of them. But pretty much here, you know, like the work at home moms, car programs, Amazon, mobile apps, just to kind of scroll through. These are all capture pages that have been built. Let me check this out. Alright, everything is going on. But yeah, we was checking out the hemp here. Everything is going on. Let me go back over here. So let's check out those hemp pages here. Okay, I had them pulled up here. So you can kind of see. These are kind of cool little pages that was made with TCP. So that's cool. Health pages. Some stuff I already kind of had pulled up here for us, but some little pages, and then you can go in and change them up, make them, you know, whatever it is that you like. But also I want to talk about the leads here. So this is what everybody talk about. They need prospects, they need leads, they need to know how to get in touch with people. We got it. Okay? Stop looking around. Stop getting juiced out out y'all money, man, for that training and stuff like this. When we giving y'all everything on how to go out here and recruit and make money and get leads and make sales, man. So stop playing and do what you need to do and get involved. And that's real, okay? Now, if you seen my video yesterday that I uploaded, it was about the new live interview lead. These are people that have been called. Like, we called them and interviewed them and ran down a whole little list of things, and the only thing you need to do is just reach out to them. Now, if you've ever heard of buyers leads, those are people that are, you know, strictly buyers. They don't, you know, they're action takers. It's kind of almost the same thing, but it's just, you know, these are leads that are just looking for opportunity. Same thing with these as well, you know. But these people have actually expressed interest by opting in, you know, saying, hey, you know, I want to check out something. But these people have been interviewed, like actually called and talked to and ran down and things like that. So that's why I say, man, you definitely want to check these out, man. This is new. They just rolled these out here. So TCP is always rolling out things to help their members, man, just to kind of show you there. So Guys, it's real. You know, check it out, man. I don't want to keep, holding you, telling you, hey, I can do this, you can do this, and you not taking advantage of it. You wonder why I get so many signups and leads in my businesses? Come on, man. And I've showed you guys, I went back to all 2016 that I've been involved in this business. So I'm not playing. This is real. So we turning this up this year. I was really doing a lot of MCA marketing and promoting, but now I'm looking for that long-term residual income. So I'm going in so heavy on TCP in my crypto space, man. So guys, if if you interested, it's a free. It's gonna be a link. Check it out. It's free for 7 days. You can definitely get paid as well. You can do the monthly package. I mean the monthly rate. You can do the semi-annually, or you can do the annually. So you can pretty much, and that's the income that you can make too. So you make pretty much half of whatever that is. So if it's $50 a month, you're getting paid $25 residual income for each person. All right, guys. So I get paid every week. New people come in, new people jump, older people jump out. It is what it is, but we keep the funnel rolling. So these are all your marketing tools that you're gonna get over here. Utilize them, man. Utilize them. Buy leads, the autoresponders we already have done. And let me show you something before I let you guys go here. So this is one that I utilize for MCA. Let me go in here and find it. Best easy work. Yeah. I'm trying to find it. Let me go in here. Okay, guys, I had to go in and find it, man. Geez, they switched up everything, so I had to go in and find it. But I wanted to kind of show you here one of the funnels that we got going on here. So we're gonna say my Gmail, and we're gonna enter in just a generic phone number here. Boom. So when the video load up, but my computer's running a little slow today. So this is MCA broke down, right? So they're gonna break MCA down, then it goes learn more. Then it goes in, boom, Motor Club of America, the presentation. Hey, welcome to our company presentation. Contact your sponsor, my information, access name, join MCA, boom. It's MCA building, baby. And when you click MCA, you can go here, which goes to my Motor Club company, then join MCA, takes you there. Okay? Go access my training. You're going to get taken to TCP. Something I made. Boom. What's good, my beautiful people? Introducing me. Branding me. That's all branding me. Alright, but you can put your own video there. So that's the page I'll go ahead and give you if you sign. If you're an MCA, you don't have a sponsor, you join me at TCP. You definitely have access to that. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Guys, have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.